Right. A beautiful morning this morning. My name is Ovo, and I'm so excited to bring you guys this quality content. As a matter of fact, this video I show you this amazing software on mobile devices that you can actually use to edit videos. If you're a YouTuber, count this as a plus because no more shall you be wanting to go through the process of using your laptop. I'm not saying using your laptop is bad, but for those who don't have, this is it. So a list of features that this software allows you to do is you can add elements, sticker, you can add transitioning, you can trim, cut, split, you can record audio on a video, you could increase the output volume just like you can do for with Filmora. You can add test and animate those tests. You can export the video qualities from resolutions from 320p up until 1080p and even 4K videos. Your frame rate starts from 24 fps to 60 fps. And here's the big one: you don't it doesn't put a watermark on your exported videos. It comes out clean and the rest. Now that's it, guys. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to smash the red subscribe button below, because here on this community we talk about ways to make money online, tech solutions, and pretty much anything else. And making money online, you can see the Phantom video I did, and currently Phantom has exploded. You have gift cards, you have Shiba. Just go through and check, and when you're done, smash the like button to help other people discover contents like this. Now once you're done, all you have to do is proceed to Play Store first, and you're going to see and type in the search for Youcut. You're going to see the app that has the Caesar stuff. That's Youcut. Install it and make sure you have this environment, and now we're ready to go. So once you're done and you have it, come over here and click on the plus sign. And when you do, I'm just going to walk you guys through. So you click on new project to add a project to the workspace. Right. Which are we going to use now? We just need something small. While I look for something to use, okay, let's use this 1 minute 29 seconds. And then when you click on it, you click on this, proceed. Excuse me, guys. Right, now the video has been imported. So here is your pane. Here is your toolbar. You can see trim, music, filter, effect, text, sticker, beep, speed, and so on and so forth. If I pan on the video and I move, you see it's going to move. You can see the video adjusting to the playhead, right? But that's not where we're going. So let us begin from the top now. If I click on trim, you're going to see the options trim, cut, split. I don't want to do that. If I click on music, it's just to add the music to the background. If I click on effect, you can see all of the types of effect. First of all, if I want to put this effect on the 1 second timer, I'll just look, and probably this is a glitch, and let it play.
It brings out the.
And let's see the result.
Some of the time, it brings.
Let me do that once again.
Some of the time.
So that's just the way it works. I'll delete that. I don't want that effect. Now here's where I'm going with all of this. First of all is sticker. So if I click on sticker, you're supposed to see types of sticker. Now I want to do GIFs. And these are some of my history, some of the ones that I've used before. It sticks. So if I want more likes, I'll just click on this to tell you guys to like these videos. And yes, truly, please go ahead and smash the like button and help others discover content like this. Right, that's done. We'll move on to the next. So I want to show you what you can do. You can actually animate this. So let's see. You know what, let's just leave that. Animating is not special. And we'll go back once again. Now this is it. In Filmora, you can actually record on top of a video, right? So you move the pin to where you want, as always is the case, and when you do, you just hit the record button. I cannot record because I'm using other stuff, so that's it. You can do that on your own at your own time. I'm just showing you guys the basic things that you can do, and remember, editing is all about putting together the various tools to get what you want. Now, if the output is not loud enough in Filmora, you could actually increase the volume, right? I just did.
And people.
We're at 100.
But fear also brings out
It's just
our very best.
So guys, when you're done with your editing and you want to save, let me show you guys I've shown you guys how to add elements. I've showed you guys how to add okay, let us do for transitioning. We haven't done transitioning. So the first thing we want to do is split this video into a two-part. So click on split and save, right? You're going to see that now we have this. The next thing we want to do is add the transition in here. So I'll click on that. And when I do, now the video is in two parts, right? So let's add right. Just go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't.
Brings out
Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel already.
Different.
Very important that you do. Right guys, so you go ahead and click on this slice icon on the video, that white box on the video, and just let that load. It's taking more time too. My device is currently lagging. If you have any questions, opinion, or comments about this video, please go ahead, feel free and use the comment section while we wait for that option to pop up.
Here brings out something different.
We are here now. These are the various transitions.
Here brings out something different.
So I'm just going to go ahead and just pick a random one.
Here brings out something different.
I'll just pick move up and let's see what that does. Remember, this is basically a trial. I'm just showing you guys what this software can do. So as you can see now, we've added the transitioning effect to the video. So let's play and see what
here brings out something. Their choice to be heroic.
Yeah. So once you're done editing, you want to save. And now this is where we talk about the various resolutions, frame rates, and of course quality. Now you can see resolutions from 320 to 1080, even 4K from the frame rate. When I'm using Handbrake to reduce my videos on my laptop, I normally use 23 FPS, right? Now you have 24 FPS all the way to 60 FPS, depending on what you're doing. You just need to know the specifications: low, medium, high. So guys, that's it for this video. I'm grateful. I really appreciate you guys watching. Please go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you haven't. Smash the like button to help other people discover content like this, because if you don't have a laptop and you want to be a YouTuber, I encourage you to. And if you have a mobile phone, then your journey is begun. All right, your journey is now. Just download this software from Play Store and have it run, right? And once you're done, you just click save. I do not have much space in my device, so I'm not going to hit the button. Thank you guys once more. I'm going to see you guys keep bringing quality content to you. You're going to find the Telegram community, link to the Telegram community in the description box. Go ahead and join the community because I put out content on that community as well. That's it, guys. Thank you for the likes, for the support. Now we're at 800 subscribers. A big shout out to each and every one of you that has joined this journey, that has become a part of this family. I love you guys. Until I see you guys again, be well, my friends. Peace.